G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So this week is number 2 of our cocktail Christmas ebook and we're going to be making the Dirty Snowman, which is a cocktail that you can either enjoy as a dessert or just sitting around with a couple of friends and family around Christmas time. It's delicious. So let's get started, hey? Okay, so the first thing you do is get a side plate, grab your chocolate syrup, do a nice big circle, just like that. Now grab a block of chocolate, just shave that over the top so you get nice little chocolate bits when we rim the top of this glass. So then grab your glass, rim the top, just move it around nicely so you can get all the top covered. And it should actually come off looking quite even. So there you go, just like that. Now the next step is to get a delicious vanilla ice cream. I'm putting 2 scoops in this one today, so drop your first scoop in, second scoop. All right, next step. We've already pre-batched some hot chocolate, but about half a cup to a full cup, depending on the size of your glass. Try not to spill it everywhere like I just did. I might give that a quick wipe over. Now, Bailey's, the good stuff. About 30 mils. We'll pour that on top of the hot chocolate. Just like that. Now, as you can see, there's still about half a glass to go, so we're going to load this up with some whipped cream. So load the glass up. Once I get this thing to work, there we go. Beautiful. Last step is to garnish the top, and we're going to get some chocolate and just grate that nicely across the top. And there you have the Dirty Snowman. Enjoy.